name's Jason Ritchie, and I'm an apprentice mechanic here at Harper's. I've worked here for 5 years. Yeah, I'm still an apprentice, so I went to school last fall for the 2 months, and I'm going again in September 3rd. In the next couple of weeks there to finish, to go to my last schooling, and then I can go write my license. Yeah, so I work on a lot of transmissions and clutches and brake jobs, oil changes. Yeah, I really enjoy working on Freightliners and Western Stars, and there's so much to learn, so many different things. Harper's is a good place to get lots of experience there, and they give you the opportunity to exceed. I'm Jason Ritchie, and I work at Harper's, and come on down and we'll take care of you.